Once you've logged into Figma for the first time, your top of your screen will look something like mine. Now, what's down here below will not look like mine because I have all sorts of design projects of mine and students down here. And once you start creating things, you'll have projects down here as well. But if this is your first time and you're going to create your first project, we're going to click on Design File. And we are going to take the Frame tool and we are going to create a frame. And I can either drag and drop a frame, and I can see how big it is at the bottom. For instance, this is 1078 by 501. So I can change that size however I want. And also then I can change this frame size in here if I wanted to. So let's say I wanted it to be 1000 by 500. I can change that. Now I'm going to get rid of this for the moment. So I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to hit the delete or backspace button so it is gone. I want to show you the other way to get a frame. We click on the frame tool and we come to the left hand side here and we can pick a frame from here. For instance, if I was working on a web page, I could click desktop, desktop. And now I have a board that's the size of a desktop. And I just zoomed out a little bit so we could see the whole thing.